Valentine. Oh, ibigay si mama sa iyo ng flower. Ito pala sa'yo. Pilak-pilak. Happy Valentine mga kalaman at kapatay gutom. Happy Valentine to all of you, Madam People. Pili ako kahit tag 10 piso lang. Happy Valentine to me. Hindi, bibigay ko to guys kay ate. Sana all may pa-flowers si Inday. Like ko lang naman to kay Doc. Happy Valentine. Happy Valentine, Doc. Flower for you. Happy Valentine to all of you, Madam People. See you. Bye. Flower natin kay Santo Niño. Para kay Doc yan. Ayan siya. Valentine, Doc. February 14, Happy Valentine to all of you. Happy Valentine, Misha. Happy Valentine, Misha. Happy Valentine, Masha. Happy Valentine, Masha. Happy Valentine. Sinasadya ko talaga guys, ginagalaw yung camera parang sumasay. Kiss. Thank you. Happy Valentine, baby. Happy? Naubos mo yung buko? Tingnan natin. Haba, wash out ang buko ng Inday. Wow. Ayan siya, guys. Mahaba na, guys, yung buhok ni Misha. Akala mo ang taba-taba niya. Pero usog, baby. Gupitan na kita. Ha? Sabi ng kuya niya, wag daw gupitan kasi maganda daw si Misha pag haba ang hair. Haba ang hair. So, ayan lang guys. Happy Valentine to all of you, Madam People. Mga kalamon at kapatay gutom. Happy Valentine. Bye. See you. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much watching. See you.